Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Thursday, February the 9th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, global share markets fell overnight as investors pondered the likelihood of interest rates staying higher for longer. Stocks on Wall Street were led lower by big tech. Alphabet shares tumbled after its new Google AI chatbot Bard delivered an incorrect answer in an online advertisement. $100 billion was knocked off the company's market cap, while rival Microsoft shares jumped around 3% before pairing gains. Microsoft has already released a version of its Bing search engine which has integrated ChatGPT functions. Disney shares are up slightly in post-market trade after posting better than expected earnings with an EPS of 99 cents for its first quarter on stronger than expected revenues driven by the company's parks and recreations business. Uber's shares accelerated after the rideshare company reported a surprise fourth quarter profit as a surge in demand for airport and office rides helped it rebound from pandemic lows. Uber forecast EBITDA of between $660 and $700 million for the first quarter, well above analyst estimates. CVS Health Corp shares rose after its $9.5 billion cash buyout offer for Oak Street Health. And shares of Lumen Technologies plunged after reporting a fourth quarter loss, while Chipotle shares fell, also on disappointing results. More broadly, investors contemplated comments from President Joe Biden in his State of the Union address, in which he supported calls to tax corporate share buybacks. Well, further commentary from Fed officials has reinforced the central bank's view that more interest rate rises are likely. New York Fed President John Williams saying that pushing the Fed funds rate to between 5 and 5.25% seems a very reasonable view of what we'll need to do this year in order to get the supply and demand imbalances down. And while acknowledging that inflation is likely to continue slowing this year with a moderation in food, energy and accommodation prices, Fed Governor Christopher Waller has said, "I'm not seeing signals of quick decline in the economic data, and I'm prepared for a longer fight." Labour income will also be robust and buoy consumer spending, which could maintain upward pressure on inflation in the months ahead. Well, futures are now pricing in the Fed's key lending rate to peak at 5.17% in July and then decline to 4.85% by December. US dollar was little changed, while the Aussie has slipped 0.5% to 69.2 US cents. US wholesale inventories recorded their smallest increase in 2.5 years in December of 0.1%, in a sign that businesses are reluctant to place new orders for goods as sales stagnate. Well, the Australian share market is set to fall at the open, with ASX futures down around 0.4%. The oil price has risen for a third session on expectations of less aggressive monetary tightening. Brent crude is up 1.7%. Additionally, oil supply has been affected by the earthquake that has wreaked devastation and mass loss of life in Turkey and Syria, stopping crude oil flows from Iraq and Azerbaijan. And base metal prices have slipped while the gold prices edged higher, spot gold up with strong buying from central banks including China, India and Turkey. And trading has been choppy in the crypto market, with Bitcoin falling below $23,000. Ahead today, AGL, Charter Hall, Megaport and Mirvac are reporting results. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.